Hey, you! Can you fill my water? Look, I know my human loves me, but my bowl is always dry, like the Sahara Desert. You humans are weird. You always promise to fix things, but never do. Like yesterday, I was super thirsty, but I got dirty water. Can you believe that? So that got me thinking, what about other people? Well, I did a little research. Apparently, around 2 billion people don't have clean water. And by 2025, people will have to work very hard to get clean water. That means that the trash in the water affects everyone, from humans to little old hamsters like me, even elephants. So all I ask is please take better care of our water. Oh, look, here he comes, my human.
Glug, 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 glug.
Well, maybe things can get better after all.